If you're transferring crypto and you're not careful, one wrong move can cost you everything. So before we dive into this step-by-step guide to transferring USDT from OKX to Binance using the TRC20 network, let's start with the most important rule. Never share your seed phrase. That 12 or 24-word recovery phrase is literally the key to your wallet. Anyone with it can drain your account and there's no refund in crypto. It's private. It's yours. And it should never be stored in screenshots, notes, apps, or message to anyone ever. Now let's get into the TRC20 transfer process, the safest, fastest, and cheapest way to move USDT between exchanges. First, open your Binance app and go to the Wallet section. Tap Deposit, choose USDT, and then select the TRC20 network. Very important, this keeps the fees low, usually just $1 USDT. Binance will now show you your TRC20 wallet address. Copy that address carefully. Next, open the OKX app, go to Assets and tap Withdraw. Select USDT and paste the TRC20 address you copied from Binance into the withdraw address field. Now here's the critical part. Make sure you also select the TRC20 network in OKX to match the destination network on Binance. If you mismatch the network, for example, sending TRC20 to an ERC20 address, your funds could be lost permanently. After selecting TRC20, enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer. Confirm all the details: wallet address, network type, and amount. Once it looks good, tap Withdraw and complete the required 2FA security steps like SMS, email, or authenticator codes. Your transaction will now be processed. USDT transfers on TRC20 are usually fast. You'll typically see the funds arrive in your Binance wallet within 2 to 5 minutes. You can track it inside both apps or on TronScan if needed. A few quick pro tips before you finish. Double check your address. Always. Test with a small amount first if you're nervous. Never send your full balance without verifying the network. Always confirm you're on the official apps or websites. Scams are everywhere. And once again, do not share your seed phrase. Not with a friend, not with customer support, not with anyone. If someone's asking for it, they're trying to rob you. If this helped you, drop a like in the comments and consider sharing it with a friend who's new to crypto. These are the little things that separate safe investors from the sorry ones. Subscribe or follow for more real-world crypto how-tos and safety tips, because protecting your money is just as important as growing it.